This is Ray. I'm gonna write the song like I said on live today. Yeah, I'm excited. I'm happy, ecstatic. Alright, so bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, 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 bang. Boing, 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 boing. Like a kangaroo or a bunny rabbit. You can go check out my song called Kangarooing Bunny Rabbit, Hopping Skipping. Kangarooing Bunny Rabbit, jump, 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 jibbity jump, hop. Bunny rabbits hop, kangaroos hop. Kangaroo bunny song don't stop. Hop, hop, hip, hippity hop. Hippity hippity hop, 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 don't stop. All the kids hop. And so I made that song, that freestyle for it's funny, it's cool. Kangaroos, kangarooing. Bunny rabbits, bunny rabbiting, hopping, jumping, hip hopping, hip hop, hip hop. Alright, Joe, so the topic of today is gonna be this moment. This moment in time. 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 I always like to share that line. I always like to share that light within this life with this life living vivid extended claiming the moment in time. Alright? The moment in time. Alright? This in time, always like to share shit, the live like with this life living extended proclaiming the moments in time, the times. This is Ray Rhymes. Now this is Ray, and we just wrote that. I just wrote that just now. Alright, so there's a time I always feel like we're destined to be in times in this moment in time. This in time always like to share this live life with this life living vivid extended proclaiming the moment in time, the times. We just wrote that. And so that was just like a freestyle, right? And so that's what I'll be saying why I always freestyle. I really don't even write down stuff lately. And so throughout life, I really didn't. Throughout life, I did. And so when I do write, this is how I write. And as far as I really like what I write when I first hear it, I write it down. It'd be so cool. I like to write, y'all. I like to freestyle. And so I would, get my I would assess myself, give myself the assessment of, congratulating myself on proceeding with that title of being a freestyle. This is being actually a very good writer. And so I am not per se a ghostwriter because I like to write my stuff, but I do ghostwrite because I'll be ghosting the paper and the pen sometimes and just say what I need to say. So I'm a ghostwriter. I ride the rhythm and the rhythm, which the friction of my freestyle with the rhythm, and I just came up with the word rhythm, and the friction is the fractions of my added up stuff that I just added up here and all the words and letters to get this very nice chorus. So that was my chorus. This in time always like to share that this like with this life live like living vivid extended proclaiming the moments in moments, the moment of time, the times. Okay, let's keep writing. Alright, let's keep writing. Let's keep writing. Um, fractions, tractions of the attractions, attracting tractors, trailers. We be having our wagons. We having our wagons. And the wheelings of barrels, wheelbarrows. All right. Anyway, so let's writing friction, traction of the traction, attentiveness. So I'll be adding attentiveness, 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 attraction with the fractions, with the fraction, attractions, trailing lots of wheelbarrows, wheeling to wag or tail, wig, wagging our tail. So I do like to tell everybody and show everybody that I do be just coming up with just different stuff and words. So this moment in time, I always like to shed the that light lit wit. This life we live in, vivid, extend, proclaim the moment in time, the times to writing fractions that lead up to tractions, the attractions, the frictions of the nice, whatever we got going on. So we just put this just to the side, just to put the actual book to the side that we just did here, whatever that was. And so, and then probably just go off and try to go off that right here. And so I don't usually do that anyways. So, being that we already did it, I'll just freestyle about the frictions and attractions of the beginnings of the song that we was trying to make, that I'm trying to make here, that I made here, with the wheelbarrows, with the willingness of the rhythm of the harmonizing place here. So we going to start a whole nother song. So be looking out for me doctoring up this here, because sometimes I will doctor up some stuff. And so being that I honestly am not saying this as I would off camera, I never wrote a song on camera like this before. I do this for a living. And so the thing about it is I would figure out how to say this first of all, and sometimes I just already automatically know. And I ain't gonna lie, sometimes I just figure out how I'm gonna say some stuff. If I actually wrote the stuff, even though I wrote it so quick and fully like a freestyle, I would figure out some great way to say it. So maybe I'll just do that here. So this time I always like to touch and share, that's lit the night we have this and that, living, extend, proclaim the moment in time. Alright, that was the chorus or something. This in time I always like to do shit, to do this, that, lit, like, with that, this in the life, living, vivid, extended, proclaiming the moment in time.
R-A-Y.
Let's writing frictions, distractions, attractions, additives of additions. Wheelbarrow in. Alright, it's a
This is
little
Ray.
barrel